Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I'm doing fantastic. I am back today with a new video, and it is a hair video. In this video right here, I am doing my hair. I decided to do some Bohemian braids, but crochet style. I have done a tutorial before on how I do my crochet braids, and so if you guys need a little bit more explanation on how I do them, I do my crochet braids, then I would like you to go back to that video and watch it because I kind of go step by step. Just to give you an idea and tell you what exactly I'm doing, I always start my hair, prepping my hair first. So here my hair is clean, washed, I shampooed it, and I did a treatment, a hair mask, and then I let it dry overnight. And then this is the next day. I moisturize my hair, and here I am. As you can see, I am doing my braids. I always do braids as my base or my foundation for my crochet braids. This right here is a real-time video, so this is the speed I go when I am braiding my hair, when I am cornrowing and plaiting them down. So basically, I braid my hair, I try to make them symmetrical, I make sure that I have the same number of braids from either side, and I make sure that I have a middle part because I like to have a nice good middle part. And again, I just want to point out that there are different ways to do crochet braids. You don't have to cornrow them. You can do single braids in order to give that illusion as if it was actually a box braid or single braid into your hair. You can do twist if you're not able to braid. You can also do the braidless technique. However, that one I find that the braids don't last as long. So here it is. I am almost done. I have all my braids down, and I am connecting the two ends and then putting them away underneath one braid. Side note, it was a little bit difficult for me to film this video all by myself and without having the proper mirrors and the proper equipment. First, I started in my bedroom, then I went to the bathroom because I thought the lighting was better, but then I find it like it's a little bit hard to see my braiding pattern at the back. But anyways, here it is, guys. I started crocheting the hair, the extension to my own hair. I believe it's quite simple, but I have another clip where I kind of show a little bit more how the hook goes underneath the plaid and how I attach the extension onto it and make a loop to lock it in place. Also, guys, I just want to point out that this is a protective style, and usually when I do crochets, I usually keep my hair in this style for about 3 to 4 weeks. After that, I usually take it down and then I do my treatment. Obviously, when your hair is in crochet or braids, you can still wash your hair, you can still shampoo your hair. However, I find that when your hair is free from the braids or free from the protective style, you are able to wash it better and to make sure that your treatment actually goes inside your hair and is having its effect. Basically, here I am putting the crochet needle underneath a cornrow, then I pull the extension through the hoop, and I lock it in place, and then I repeat the same action all over my hair, all over my braids. So here it is, you guys. This is the final look Our hair is protected, our style is long, is voluminous, is curly, and it is beautiful. Please, you guys, leave a like, a comment, and even subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below.